Hello, hi, how are you? Now in this video, I'm going to share about one of the very important thing of being a salesperson. Okay, this is one of the important factor of becoming a successful salesperson. Basically, I'm going to talk a little bit about personality. Now, being a salesperson, your number one job is to solve problems for your buyers. Okay, it's so simple. Number one job, solve problems for your buyers. So there are different ways to solve problems, but today we are not going to discuss about what are the ways. But today I'm going to talk about the attitude of solving problems. So there are different attitudes you can take on. You can be arrogant, okay, to solve problems. You can be proud. You can be humble. You can be taking on the attitude of I don't really care. You can also take on the attitude, the feelings of being sincere, being genuine. So there are many different attitudes you can take on. But the thing is, being a salesperson, and if you want to have repeated clients, if you want your buyers to come back to you over and over again, you want to take on the attitude of being sincere, of helping them to solve problems. But there's one catch, okay? Now, as you are helping them, when you have that attitude of helping them to solve the problems, being sincere, around that sincerity, you've got to build some technique, some sales technique in there. You need to learn how to close, how to approach, how to present, how to pitch properly, okay? In order to close that sales. Otherwise, if you are just being there to help people, you are just being there to solve problems, you join the charity organization. That's better. Okay, you don't have to learn to close. It's really just purely helping people and not making money, right? So when it comes to sales, there has to be a certain element, sincerity, helping people, but there has to be this part of, okay, I am helping, but there has to be a ROI, a return on investment. So as a salesperson, you kind of want to balance that, okay, while you are helping and also at the same time making money. But if you are helping and your main intention really is you're driving to make the money, okay, make money from your buyers, they will feel it too. They will feel, okay, this person helps so much, this person just want to make my money. It is balancing the act, helping, giving value, solving problems. At the same time, there must be some route, okay, to some inroad to the return on investment. Of course, 100 buyers come to you, not 100 will buy. Probably 10, 20 will buy. But that's okay. Okay, 10, 20%, that's pretty an average closing ratio. So this is my philosophy, helping them, solving their problems, adding values to them. All right. Because first of all, they have to be comfortable with me. They have to know that I can help them. They have to know, they have to like me. Okay, people want to do business with people whom they like, right? So from there, then I build inroads to what is the return on investment. I build the sales technique around it. But first of all, the intention is how can I help this person? So that has to come across as being really sincere. Now, and once a buyer understood that you are able to help them, you are willing to go the extra mile, they don't mind paying you. All right, got that? So this is very important if you want to build a sustainable sales career. All right, so I see you the next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.